In this video, I will guide you through the 5-minute end of day clean for your spray gun. At the end of each day, pour any remaining solution back into the solution bottle. Remove the blue ring and air cap from the front of the gun. Rinse them under running water and make sure that air holes are clear. Return to the gun with the notches positioned vertically. Unscrew the solution pot from the spray gun. Rinse the pot and lid under running water. Turn the gun on its side to allow excess solution to run out. Return the solution pot to the gun. Spray water through the gun until it sprays clear. It's important to release the air from the air tank at the end of each day to prevent a moisture build-up inside the tank. Turn off your compressor. Release the air from the air tank by loosening the bolt under the tank. You will hear the air gush out. This should only take a second. Once the air is released, tighten the bolt again. Follow this end of day procedure to keep your equipment in top condition. In this video, I will guide you through the mini service for your spray gun. This is only required if you suspect there is a blockage. Start by following the regular end of day procedure so that your gun is rinsed and free of solution. Fill a basin with warm soapy water. Unscrew the solution flow screw number 2 by turning it to the left until it pops out. Remove the spring and put it aside. You will then see the fluid needle. Pull this out. It may be difficult to get a grip due to the lubricant. If so, use a tissue or cloth to get a grip. Place the needle in the water. Remove the blue ring and air cap at the front of the gun and place in the water also. Place the gun body in the water and let it all soak for a few minutes. While the gun is still in the water, reinsert the needle and pull out a few times to help dislodge any stubborn solution buildup inside the gun. If the needle is very stiff, then it is likely there is still a blockage inside the gun. Keep reinserting the needle while submerged in the water until it glides more easily. Check that the 3 air holes in the air cap are clear. If not, use a pin to clear them. Dry off all parts and lubricate the needle. Only a small amount of lubricant is needed. Rub lubricant between 2 fingers, then glide the needle between your fingers. Reassemble the spray gun. Don't forget the spring. Make sure the front notches are vertical and the 3 settings are adjusted correctly. Locate the filter cap on the side of the compressor. Flip it out with a screwdriver. Remove the filter and rinse. Allow to thoroughly dry before returning to the compressor. Should a replacement filter be required, please contact Oztan. Your spray system should now spray like new. To prevent any blockages occurring, simply follow the end of day cleaning procedure. Please do not soak your gun in water or perform this mini service every day as it will wear out the seals. The mini service is only necessary if a blockage is suspected or as a quarterly intensive clean.